welcome to my kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be making a breakfast casserole. Now the recipe that I'm making, I have actually cut down from a recipe that serves anywhere from 8 to 12 people. But what I will do is in the description I will include both recipes, the one that I scaled down and the one that makes a larger casserole, because this is really a good casserole for if you have company when the holidays coming. It would be great for a Christmas brunch or anything like that. So I will include both recipes, and we're going to go ahead and get this started. Okay, I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees. Now this is a 8 by 6 by 2 inch baking dish. If you're using the larger recipe, you're going to need a 9 by 13. And it's been sprayed with the cooking spray. And we're just going to set that aside for a minute. And I'm going to get my hash browns here. Now these are just those little hash brown patties. You can get these pretty much at any grocery store. And we're just going to put those in the bottom of our baking dish. Okay, and then we'll set that aside. And in this container I have 4 large eggs, and to that I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of heavy cream. So we're going to go ahead and get that put in. 3, and there's the 6th one. Okay, set this aside. And then we are going to add, this is 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, cheddar cheese. You can use sharp or mild, whatever you prefer, whatever kind of cheese that you prefer. Okay, and then to that we're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to pour just a little bit, and that's about right there. And we're going to add a little pepper. And there we go. And then we're just going to mix this up. And you can see what it looks like. There it is. Okay, we're going to set that aside. So I have 1/2 pound of just regular breakfast sausage that I'm going to crumble on the top of this, and it's been browned and crumbled. I'm just going to sprinkle that on the top. Try not to get any grease. There we go. Okay. There we have that. So you can use mild or hot or whatever kind of breakfast sausage that you like. Just use your favorite brand. Alright, dry my hands. Okay, now then we are going to take our egg mixture and put that on. Just pour that right over. And just kind of spread that in, spread that over. There we go. All right. Now at this point we're going to add some additional cheese to the top. And you can, again, you can add as little or as much as you like. It's all up to you. If you like you want this to be super cheesy and you want to add a lot of cheese, that's okay. And if you don't like much and you just want a little sprinkle, that's okay too. Whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to take some foil And I'm going to cover this over. And I'm going to check this. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my oven, and I'm going to check this in about 30 minutes for doneness. When this is done, we want a knife inserted in the center to come out clean, just like you would with a cake. So we're going to check this in 30 minutes, and so when that gets done, I will be right back with you. Okay, it has been in the oven for about 30 minutes, and you can see this is not quite done. So I'm going to cover it back up, and we're going to leave it maybe another 10 minutes or so, and I'll check it again. So I'll be back with you then. Okay, I ended up leaving the casserole in for about another 15 minutes. And now you can see the knife is clean. So it's done. It came out, looks like it turned out pretty well. So what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to put it back in the oven for maybe another 5 minutes uncovered, and so that cheese will brown a little bit. So I'll be back with you when I'm ready to serve this up. Okay, our breakfast casserole is done, and there's what it looks like. And I heated up a couple of biscuits that I had in the freezer and put some butter on those. So this is my husband's plate, and here's mine. And with the casserole, well, this is still a little hot, hang on just a minute. I had this much left over, so this would actually serve 4 people, depending on serving size. But with the size servings we did, it would easily serve 4. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do thank you for watching, and I hope you'll try this recipe. It's really a good one. So y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks so much again for watching. We'll see you next time.